Infix, prefix and postfix expression. Infix. What do you mean by infix? To add a, b, we write a plus b. If you have to multiply a, b, we write a star b. The operators plus and star go in between the operands a and b. This is called as a infix notation. Prefix. Instead of saying a plus b, we could say add ab and write plus ab. Multiply ab would be written star ab. This is prefix notation. Postfix. Another alternative is to put the operators after the operand as in ab plus and ab star. This is called as postfix notation. So we will see what is the form of infix, postfix, prefix. Infix form in the sense it will be identifier, operator, identifier. Postfix form identifier, identifier, operator. Prefix form operator, identifier, identifier. Infix. Some of the examples of infix, postfix and prefix are, if it is infix, the expression would be opening bracket a plus b closing bracket star c. A plus opening bracket b star c closing bracket. Postfix expression will be ab plus c star. ABC star plus. Prefix will be star plus ABC. Another example is plus a star BC. So let us see the procedure to convert infix expression to postfix expression is as follows. First point, scan the infix expression from left to right. In second step, if the scanned symbol is left parenthesis, push it onto the stack. B. If the scanned symbol is an operand, then place directly in the postfix expression, which is output. C. If the symbol scanned is a right parenthesis, then go on popping all the items from the stack and place them in the postfix expression till we get the matching left parenthesis. D. If the scanned symbol is an operator, then go on removing all the operators from the stack and place them in the postfix expression. If and only if the precedence of the operator which is on the top of the stack is greater than or equal to the precedence of the scanned operator, and push the scanned operator onto the stack. Otherwise, push the scanned operator onto the stack. Let us see the program to convert an infix to postfix expression. Let us see all the functions which is used in the main. The first is the header file hash include string.h, and then we have the array of characters with the variable name stack of the size 20. We have a integer variable top which is initialized as -1. We have a push operation where we will be passing x of character data type as an argument. And then what we are going to do is, in that function, we are going to do, firstly, when we are placing any operand or operator in the push, firstly we are going to pre-increment and then place the operator or operand. Then we are going to pop. So pop in the sense, firstly we are going to check whether it is empty. So if it is empty, the checking will be done with respect to this if condition, where if top is equal to -1, then you have to return -1. Else what you have to do is you have to do post decrement of the top and you have to pop the elements. So for that we will be writing the code as return stack top minus minus. Another one is for the priority purpose. So for the priority, we are going to write the function as priority where the return type is going to be integer and we are going to pass x, which is of the character data type, as argument. So in this we are having four if conditions. If x is equal to, this is called as a comparison operator. If it is equal to the opening bracket, then it will be returning the integer 0. If x is equal to plus or x is equal to minus, because this plus minus and star slash is given the equal, that is plus minus is having equal priority, star slash is having equal priority. So if this condition either plus or minus, it will be returning 1. If it is star or slash, it will be returning 2. X is equal to dollar or x is equal to, this is called as a exponential symbol, it will be returning 3. So this last condition is having the highest priority. Next highest priority is this particular condition. Next is this particular condition, and the least priority is based on this opening bracket. Then let us go to the main. So main is having a character variable which is of array of character which is of the size at 20, and it is having a pointer e which is of character data type, and another variable which is x. So what we are going to do in the sense, we have to enter the expression. While we are entering the expression, we have to make sure that it has to be in infix format. Then what we're going to do is we are going to place the expression to this e, which is a pointer. Then we are going to check whether we have encountered the last character by placing the pointer and by placing this condition in the while loop. Then what we are going to do in this is we are going to, as per the steps that we had seen in the earlier slide, based on that we're going to check, based on this if condition, we're going to check that if it is an operand. So if this particular thing, if the particular expression we are encountering is the operand, then it will be displayed in the output. Else if it is a opening bracket, then we will be performing push operation. Else if we are encountering a closing bracket, then we have to do this particular operation, that is pop operation, where it will be implemented along with the while. What it is meaning in the sense, what this particular code is telling is, until we encountered the opening bracket, we have to perform the pop operation. So whatever the operators or operands are there between the closing bracket and the opening bracket, all should be printed to the output. Else what we have to do is we have to check the priority. This, whatever the operator is there on the stack, which is being placed on the top of the stack, which is being mentioned with the anything which is on the top of the stack where we are placing it, we are going to indicate that with the stack variable top. So if you have an operator on the stack, what we have to do is we have to compare it with the scanned operator. If it is greater or equal to, that is, we have to check this condition, like while priority stack top is greater or equal to priority e, which is a pointer, then what we have to do is we have to do the pop operation. After the pop operation, we have to do the push operation. Okay, and then we have to check whether the top is empty. Okay, so again it will be put in the while loop, and if it is not empty, then all the operands have to be popped and has to be displayed on the output. Now the next thing that we're going to see is the operator priorities. That is, postfix conversion operation depends on operator priority, which is being given below. Operators are taken out of the stack as long as the in-stack priority is greater than or equal to the incoming priority of the new operator. So operator we have is an exponential and question mark. Based on the priority, it has got the highest priority. Star slash has got the second highest priority. Plus minus has got the lowest priority. So this is called as the operator priority chart. So let us see an example based on it. Before going for a complicated example, let us see a simple example which is there in example 2. We have an expression which is in the form of an infix expression, that is a plus opening bracket b star c closing bracket. So we have these particular columns which will be read as read character, stack and output. So uh, as per the steps that is been given, if we encounter an operand, then it will be displayed at the output. So the first expression we are going to scan is an operand. So what we're going to do in this is, we're not going to put it in the stack, we are directly going to put it in the output. The next is an operator. So the operator plus will be put in the stack and the output will be as it is a. Then we have a opening bracket. So opening bracket will be put on the top of the plus, which is inside the stack. Output will be A. Next we have is B. We have the already the operators as plus and opening bracket. As it is a operand will be displayed directly at the output. Then we have star. Star in the sense, you can see it will be put in the stack after plus opening bracket star, and then we have the output AB. Then we have an operand C. C will be put directly to the output, and then we have the last one, which is a closing bracket. So as per the steps that we had seen, whenever we encounter a closing bracket, all the operators which is between the opening bracket and closing bracket has to be popped out. So here we have only one operator, that is been star. So the star will be at the output column. The last thing is, so we have scanned all the operands and operators which is there in the expression. Now the next thing is, in the stack we have only one plus, and that also will be popped to the output. Thank you for the session.